Hello children, good morning. Welcome to online class. I am Lakshmi Miss here and today I am going to teach you grammar subject for class 5th. Children, we are going to see the unit number 4. The name of unit is the articles a and the. Look at here children. Today we are going to see the articles in English language. Which article we are going to see? The article a and the. These three articles are using in the English language. But do you know children when these articles we are used? So in this unit we are going to see the when we are going to use the article when we are going to use the article and when we are going to use the article the. Okay children, so we will start it. Please pay attention and listen carefully. Look at here children. First is the articles a and the. As you know, the words a and the are called the articles. They are used before nouns. Look at here children. When we are using a and the, we are using a and the before the nouns. The articles a and an are called indefinite article. Look at here children. There are two types of articles. Indefinite article and definite article. There are two types of article. Keep in mind definite article and indefinite article. Which are indefinite article? Here is given the article a and an. A and an article. These two articles are indefinite articles and article the is definite article. Okay children, did you understand? Look at here once again. There are three articles a and the, and there are two types of the articles. First one is indefinite articles and second one is definite article. In indefinite articles there are a and an came and the article is called definite article. Did you understand children? So why it's called definite article and indefinite article we will see next in the next. Look at here. Here is given use of the indefinite articles a or an, where we are using the article a or an. Look at here. The articles a is used before a nouns beginning with consonants and vowels that sound like a consonants. Look at here children. Here is a most important rule is given here. When we are using the article a, the article a we used before the nouns and it beginnings with the consonants. Do you know children? You have seen in the last year the consonants and vowels, so you should know about it, which are vowels, which are consonants, and we are using the article a in front of the noun and its noun beginning with or start with a consonant and vowels. If it start with vowels then it sounds like a consonants. Did you understand children? This is very important when we are using the article a, when the nouns start with a consonant, and if it is start with a vowels it sounds like a consonants. For example is given here. Look at here children. A pigeon, a house, a union and a one-man band. These all are a example of using the article a. Look at here. Here is a pigeon. It is a consonant. House, h is a consonant. Here is u is a vowel. But what is here? Pronunciation or sound, it came like a consonant. It is not a vowel sound. So it comes in front of a article. Then here is also o is there, vowels, letter is vowel but it sounds like a consonant, so in front of that article a came there. Next look at here. The article an is used before a noun's beginning with a vowel sound and word beginning with a silent h. Look at here, children. The article an we are where using it used before the nouns and it start with a vowel sound. It's very important. This is very important. It start with a vowel sound. For example, an accident, an officer, an umpire, an hour, and hair. Look at here, children. Here is also it. This word is start from O, and here is also it start from O. But how here is pronunciation is officer. O it is a vowel, and here is wa wa. It is a wa is a consonants. Do you know, children? And wa is a vowel. Did you understand? So here it came an, and here is came a article a. Did you understand, children? This is the most important difference of using article a or an. So you should keep in mind. Third rule, the articles a or an are used to refer to some indefinite person or thing. It means, example, I have a friend. Here is used article a. We have bought a TV set. We have bought a TV set. It means some indefinite person or things. Which article we are using? We are using the article a. Next, the articles a or an are used before singular countable noun to mean one. Look at here, children. When we are using the article a or an, that if that noun or it came singular countable noun, it means singular, it means 1, 2, like that. Countable noun it's come, that time what we are using? We are using a or an. Look at here. I have a friend in Tokyo. How many friend? A friend. It means one friend. So here is we used article a. Give me an orange from that basket. Look at here, children. Here is orange. What is the pronunciation of that? Oh, it comes vowel. So here is used article an. Did you understand, children? So you must keep in mind there are 3 articles are there, a and the. There are 2 type of articles, indefinite article and definite article. A and an are a indefinite article, and article the it's called definite article. So where we are using a or an article, children? We have seen here when we are using article a, if a noun is start with a consonant, in front of that noun we are using the article a, or if it is start with a vowels and it sounds like a consonant. Example is a union, a one man hand. These are the examples we have seen. In front of that we are using the article a. Next, an article an we used before the nouns, but it start with a vowel sound. It's very important. It start with a vowel sound. Example, an accident, an officer, an umpire, an hour, and hair. These all are examples. Look at here, children. Then a or an we used refer some indefinite person, indefinite things, or singular countable noun. In front of that we are using a or an article. Did you understand, children? So let's we see the exercise. Look at here. What exercise given here? Write a or an correctly in the blanks. Here we have to use the article a or an in the blanks. So look at here, children. This is very important. First, I would like to become an astronaut. Look at here, children. What sentence given? I would like to become an astronaut. Next, children, number 2, look at here. I sent my friend. What it will come here, children? I sent my friend an email. What it will come, children, here? An email, because it start with a, look at here, email. Email is word, is a start with a vowel. So what will come there, children? There will come, which article it will come? There it will come article an. Next, look at here, children. 3 number. There is dash dash octopus in my aquarium. Octopus. It is start from the vowel O, and how his pronunciation is octopus. It means it start from a vowel sound. So what it will come, children, here? Here is also an it will come. There is an octopus in my aquarium. Next, 4 number. Although he is poor, he is dash dash honest boy. Look at here, children. Honest. Look at here, this word, it's very important. It start from H, but how pronunciation or how sound came here? Honest. O. So what it will come here? This is a vowel sound. So here also and it will come. Did you understand, children? If you want to use a and, so before that word, after the word, you have to check it. Look at here. Here is astronaut, email, octopus, honest. This word you should check first and then you should write there what it will come, an or it will come a. Okay, children, this is a very important. Next example, see. Germany is dash dash European country. Look at here, children. European country. What it will come here? This is a start from letter or its vowel E. But children, when its sound came European, what it will come? Yeah, it is consonant. So what it will come here? A it will come. Germany is a European country. Did you understand? See the next. We went for a ride in one horse buggy. One horse buggy. In front of one, what it will come? We have seen above that what it will come? A it will come. Look at here once again. I sent my friend an email. There is an octopus in my aquarium. 4th number. Although he is poor, he is an honest boy. Germany is a European country. We went for a ride in a one horse buggy. Did you understand, children? Like this way you have to fill a or an article. Did you understand, children? So now we will see the article the. Use of the definite article the. The article the is used to point out some particular person or thing. Look at here, children. If you want to show the particular person or particular thing, that time what we are using? You are using the article the. Example, look at here, children. Here is a given one example. You have to see the example. He is the one I told you about yesterday. He is the one. It means here is shown a person, particular person. I don't have the book you gave me. I don't have the book you gave me. Here is a given. Here is a talking about a particular things. It means particular book. So here use the article the. Next rule, look at here. The article the is used to refer to something or someone already mentioned earlier. Look at here, children. If something or someone if mentioned earlier, it means in the starting they mentioned there, so that time also we are using the article the. Example, I got a letter from a friend. The friend wrote the letter to ask me for some money. Look at here, children. I got a letter from a friend. It means here given mentioned here friend, and next time also here came a friend. So here mentioned again. So we have taken the reference of this friend. So here we use the article the. Did you understand, children? Again look at here. Here is also used later. Sorry, here is also used article the. Here is word before after the article, that is later, and later is mentioned here. So there is used article the. Did you understand? See the next. Look at here. The article the is used with the names of geographical phenomena, monuments, holy books, or epics, circuses, etc. Look at here, children. The article the, when we are used the some geographical phenomena or some monuments, it means monuments, it means some fort we are using, some holy books, Ramayana, Mahabharata, some epics, circuses. This all comes in a. This all comes. That all word came before that we are used the article the. Example: the Yamuna, the Bible, the sun, the Sahyadri, the Grand Circus, the equator, the Qutub Minar, the Ramayana, the North Star. Then like that word we are using the article the. Did you understand, children? When we are using the article the, we will see once again. If we want to speak or you show the some, point out the some particular person or thing in front of that, we are using the article the. After that, if you use the article the to refer something or someone already mentioned earlier, and we use the article the names of geographical phenomena, monuments, holy books, or epic and circuses, etc. Look at here, children. We will see the next exercise is given here. Look at the exercise. What is exercise given there, children? Fill in the blanks with a, an, or the. Here is we are going to use three articles: a, an, or the. Look at here. Now we will see. Amit had a beautiful garden in his backyard. Amit has a beautiful garden in his backyard. In dash dash garden. Look at here, children. Here is garden came. Here is mentioned already. So what it will come here, children? Here is article the, it will come. So we will write the article the. In the garden was old mango tree. What it will come, children? There was an old mango tree. Many birds had built nest in the branches of. Here is mango. It's a specific some point of the things, that is mango. So the, it will come the branches of the mango tree. Once a cuckoo came to live there. None of other birds liked this. None of, if sometimes none of it will come, then what we are using, children? The using. None of the other birds liked this, because cuckoo come once again. Here is also cuckoo, then also come. So what we will use here, children? The. What we will use? Article the. Because the cuckoo did nothing but sing all day. Next, you have such dash dash nice voice. What will come, children, here? Here is a, because here is a consonant. You have such a nice voice, said crow. What it will come here? Said a crow to the cuckoo. Cuckoo in front of what it will come? The here, children, because cuckoo referred here. That's why we used here article the. And crow, it came here first time, so in front of crow here we have written the article a, or its and its consonant also, so we have written the a article. But that will not help you build dash dash nest. What will come here, children? Build a nest. What it will come? Build a nest. That does not matter, said cunning cuckoo. What it will come here? Here is, this is adjective, so it will come here article the. Said the cunning cuckoo, I know that you are expert. E came here. Look at here. This is expert. It means vowel sound came here, so here we used an. You are an expert at building nest. I shall lay my eggs in your nest. Look at here, children. Like that way you should use the article a or an or the. So I will read once again. Please pay attention. Amit had a beautiful garden in his backyard. In the garden was an old mango tree. Many birds had built nests in the branches of the mango tree. Once a cuckoo came to live there. None of the other birds liked this because the cuckoo did nothing but sing all day. You have such a nice voice, said a crow to the cuckoo one day. But that will not help you build a nest. That does not matter, said the cunning cuckoo. I know that you are an expert at building nests. I shall lay my eggs in your nest. Like that way, you have to use the article a and the. Okay, children, did you understand? Today we have seen a and the article. So this is all for today, children. In the next video we will meet in the next video with new unit. Till that time, stay healthy, stay happy and keep study. Thank you.